Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I'm Kim, KYM. Right now you're in my kitchen. This is where I am a mad scientist, okay? I have so much in store for you. I'm so excited. We're doing a switcheroo today. So we're gonna switch around the living room, my daughter's room, and we actually started with this last week. I just didn't pick up the camera. I will also be painting because it's part 2 of what I was doing with the project and trying to just get my home together for the new year, and cooking. Listen. This food gonna be the bomb, you already know. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I appreciate you for being here. The type of content that I put out is home management, housekeeping, cleaning, cooking, hacks, tips, projects, all of that great stuff. If that is something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe and show the like button some love too, because it really does help my channel. It's going down in our house. Let me show you what we have going on. You see all the stuff behind the couch? Way. Did you know that? Oh my God. I never knew that. I was today years old when I realized there is a secret reading compartment on my couch. Yeah, we've had it for 4 years.
See her here? Look at the dust on here. Ew. I also dusted the back of this TV stand. Here's what it looks like. When I saw this picture, I was like, you have to have that picture. Like, I legit walked past it like 4 times and I absolutely love it. You'll have to let me know how you're doing below in the comments. I'm doing well. I am just kind of going with the flow. I'm currently taking a class to get my licensing, and hopefully that will happen soon. I haven't had to study like this in such a long time, so I had to really train myself to study. I know that sounds crazy, but you know, when you're out of the game for a long time and then you get back in it, you got to do what you got to do. I also guess it depends on what your drive is and what you're driven by. Are you driven by money, success? What are you driven by? Leave a comment down below. Are you the same? This is the items that I painted black in my last video, and I'm gonna go over it with the green. In case you haven't been told today, you are enough, you are needed, you are loved, and you are worthy. Like, for real. So I'm gonna need for you to go in the mirror and say it. Here is the first coat of the green paint. I know that it kind of looks like a weird color because it hasn't dried all the way, but it's gonna end up turning out really, really pretty. After this coat, I'm gonna go ahead and get a second coat on here as well. I chose the green pop of color this year because I feel like this photo just gave me inspiration. First of all, I love the bike. I love that type of like rustic feel, you know what I mean? Since we rearranged, here is what the living room is looking like, and believe me when I tell you, it's gonna change before you see it the next time. That is just how I roll. Some people don't like change, but I'm okay with it, especially when it comes to changing up your home and making it look fresh. I wanted to show you the pillows that I'm working on. I'm in the process of sewing, closing that up, and I already did that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you in the next video my sewing skills, okay? I love her. She's so pretty. Not saying that she's gonna stay there, but I definitely want to try to incorporate her under the green here because we have green in like different corners. Green pillows. Got to make the rest of the pillows, obviously. I redid the ottoman, so that's green as well. I'm gonna end up painting this thing right here green because my living room in pop of color is no longer blue. But yeah, I just have to get everything decorated. As you can tell, the color is not the color that you saw like in the video. It's much darker. It's almost like a dark olive color. It actually is a dark olive color, but that is the reason that I painted it black first, so that it would be a dark olive color rather than like a light olive color, because I like the dark better. I'm glad that it turned out the way that it did because I really love it. So now I have to figure out how I'm gonna decorate it. Took down the Christmas stuff that was here, and then there was also a long marble black stand here that I took down, and there was some Christmas swag that I took down as well. I'm gonna have to get paint for the stairs, and I gotta take this Christmas stuff off of here.
I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal.
While my daughter is straightening up her room, I could not help but to see that there was like some stuff on the mirror. So I started to clean that off, and then I decided to just go ahead and clean the mirrors in her bathroom as well. Both of my daughters share this bathroom. My oldest daughter's 21, and then my youngest is 11.
I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and
She is definitely making some progress in her room and also in the hallway.
and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this.
So here is what my daughter's bedroom is looking like. Obviously, she is a work in progress. We are eventually going to get that closet together. Well, not we, her and her dad. And then this desk as well. Because it's just, I might have to do like a DIY or something on that. But anyway, the bed used to be here. Now the TV's there. So we switched the bed and the TV. And then the dresser was on the other side of the room as well. And now it's over here, which is like better over here in my opinion. But yeah, we got to get our new curtains, obviously. We're eventually going to paint the room and get new bedding and stuff. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. She did better than what it was prior to this. I've gotten a lot of questions in regards to commercial cleaning versus residential cleaning. So I thought I would show you some clips since you guys have already seen me do some residential cleaning, but I only have like 2 to 3 clients for residential, and I have 2 major clients for commercial. My preference is definitely to do commercial cleaning just because I feel like it's easier. I can get into a groove and I'm not constantly stopping in case, somebody has a question or somebody wants me to help them with something. So this is just much easier for me. I enjoy it much more. Not to mention, your girl sweats when she cleans, okay? Because I'll be on a mission and I'm like totally focused, and I really don't want to be at somebody's house while they're there and me like pouring down with sweat. And people keep their heat on like 80 and I just cannot do it. It's like way too much for me. The trash is always like going over. I'll show you the other bathroom because the sink in the other bathroom is really gross. This is the other restroom. This is the sink. Okay, so it may not look gross, but it definitely smells gross because that was more than mud. I'm just saying. Much better, much better. No more mud on the floor. Everything looks good. This direction as well. Here's the other restroom, same thing. Looking good in the neighborhood. So now I'm back home. I took a shower and I need to make some dinner for my family. I'm making steak with gravy and onions, asparagus, and twice baked potatoes.
Tell the truth, just spit it out.
There is nothing like homemade gravy. I know I have said that before, but it is just so good, and you control the spice, the salt, and all that great stuff. So leave a purple heart in the comment below if you like to make homemade gravy.
But be nice if you're letting me go. Think twice if you're not even sure you're right. Be nice.
With the twice baked potatoes, you can add anything you want. I've seen people add tomatoes and cabbage and carrots and all sorts of things, but for me, I just like onions, and I love cheese, sour cream. I sometimes add a little bit of ranch with lots and lots of butter. Remember, everything is better with butter. Not any margarine, parquet, or country crock, just straight butter.
Cause we're
I really wish you could smell this. It smells amazing.
out.
I am excited right now because I have someone who wants to make the concoction come up with to clean things. So I'm about to get her on the phone and I'm gonna help her with like the measurements because Kim don't measure anything.
Hello, how are you?
Doing good. You are going to be on YouTube. Smile for the camera. So I'm going to show her how I make my concoction, and I wanted you guys to be in on this so that you could see it as well. Sorry, I am adjusting my camera. Let's move you closer. All right, so this is the concoction that I always make. It's the vinegar, isopropyl alcohol, and water. So Shaneta, if you want to go ahead and fill you're going to use this all the time, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I would say fill up your water bottle halfway. So she has a Zepp water bottle and she's gonna fill a Zepp spray bottle. So fill it up halfway with water. Okay, so we're at the halfway mark. That is 15 ounces basically?
Yes.
Okay, so.
This bottle is 32 ounces, so I just have it at 15.
Okay, cool. So I want you to fill up the vinegar to the 20 ounce mark.
Okay, so 5 ounces of vinegar.
Yeah.
And this is distilled white vinegar.
Distilled white vinegar is your friend. You could also use apple cider vinegar, which is a stronger smell, and you would have to dilute it way more than we're doing the distilled white vinegar. So we have the vinegar up to 20 ounces. So we put 5 ounces of vinegar in there. So now what we want to do is let me see your Dawn dish soap bottle. Okay. Is it already opened and the seal's broken and everything?
No, because I just purchased it.
Okay. The only reason I'm asking that is, it's good? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want to put like a whole bunch of Dawn in there because you don't want it to get too soapy, but start pouring slowly and then I'll tell you when to stop. And it's going to the bottom, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good right there.
Can you see the whole bottom?
Yep. So now with the isopropyl alcohol, you don't want as much. I would say put a quarter of that isopropyl alcohol in there. Let me know if it starts to feel warm to you. Like, does it feel warm? Yep. Okay. And I'm going to tell you.
That's about a quarter, right?
Yeah, that's good. And I said the reason it feels warm is because you got to be really careful with mixing cleaning products. But since we have, it's a water base, so you're going to be completely fine. But don't shake it because you don't want it to be bubbly. Just go ahead and start using it. It's that simple.
It's okay that all the soap is at the bottom?
Yeah, because what will end up happening, the more you use it, it'll all blend together.
Okay.
That's exactly how I do it.
Okay. So I plan on using it to clean glass, my glass dining room table, as well as my glass shower door.
Yep.
Okay.
And you can really clean anything with it. I would not suggest marble or granite.
Okay.
And if you want to try it, try a small spot first, but that would work really well on baseboards as well.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Plan is to go to her house and clean her baseboards. She just doesn't know it yet, but I'm gonna make her let me do it.
I will have no problem with you coming, girlfriend. Come on.
Thank you so much for being on my channel.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. And I'm excited about using your concoction.
Awesome.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye.
I'll have to give you a review and let you know how I liked it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
I did want to tell you that with a concoction, you have to make sure that you wipe it until there's no more, because sometimes depending on what it is that you wipe, it might create like a streak almost. And if it does create a streak, that means the concoction isn't completely off. So just make sure you wipe thoroughly.
Oh, okay.
FYI.
Okay. And then I got this right here. So use this on my dining room table.
Yep, you can. Yep, exactly. You know what I would do first? Just me personally, dust it first. And yeah,
Get all the buildup off.
yeah, because you don't want it to like have. It's hard to like clean dust that's wet. It's not easy at all.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Check out the description box where I have linked all of Shaneta's professional business links. She owns a tax business and is also a real estate agent. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you already have not. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.